This PC is a 1080p bang for buck gaming monster, and for 500 euros it even fitted an RTX GPU. You don't want to miss it. Let's start this build by talking about our star, our Gigabyte RTX 2066GB OC. I got this GPU for 175 euros plus a little postage from a hardware forum. It's even a little too good for a PC, but I couldn't let that good deal go. Next, our CPU and motherboard. The CPU is a Ryzen 5 1400, which I got for 40 euros from Facebook Marketplace. Even a free stock cooler came along with it. The Ryzen 5 1600 would have been a better choice, or a better cooler to overclock the Ryzen 1400, because there is a slight CPU bottleneck. Paired with it is the Gigabyte P450MH motherboard. I got it for 70 euros from RD.de. It wasn't the best price, but we wanted to buy it quickly so we could assemble the PC earlier. For RAM we have G.Skill EG2 by 8GB 3200MHz RAM. I got it for 58 euros from Artitark. It wasn't the best price either, but the price saved by other parts neutralizes it. For our PSU, I chose the Colin Classic Power 600 watts. It cost 40 euros in Yxa.de. I couldn't find a rating on it, but it's not the best PSU. It's a little cheaper in terms of construction, and the power cable wasn't included with the PSU. It's not a recommended purchase if you want the 100% solid PSU. For the SSD, we have Patriot Burst Elite 960GB SATA SSD. I got it for 63 euros from Yxa.de, and it took 3 weeks together with the PSU to arrive, so I don't think I'll be buying parts from the online store there anytime soon. For the case we have Dragonwave Plasma 500 in black. In Kaup24.de, this M80X case only costs 50 euros, and it comes with 4 ARGB fans that look wonderful. Cable management in this case was relatively okay, and I recommend everyone to buy it. With that out of the way, let's get into the benchmarks. In the next video we're going to do an in-depth build guide. You can comment the budget in the description. It can be from 300 to 600 euros. If you liked this video, like and subscribe. We're new in YouTube and want to reach 100 subs in the end of year, and any help is welcome. Until next video, goodbye.